Hello everyone, welcome to GoodWe Labs. I am Eve.
I'm Vito Wong.
Today, we are going to focus on a detail. Module corners. Vito, we noticed that the Galaxy lightweight module has a unique edge and corner protection design. In your opinion, during transportation and installation, is corner damage really a common and serious issue?
Yes, it is indeed very common. The consequences are often more serious than people imagine. The edge of a lightweight module is one of its most fragile parts. A single small bump can cause the module to break entirely, starting from the edge. This kind of damage doesn't just bring direct financial loss, but if used in large-scale projects, it can also lead to construction delays.
Today, let's verify exactly how much potential loss it can save our customers through a simulated accidental drop test, pushing it to the limit. Watching that smash earlier really hurts. But our edge and corner protection acts like a protective suit for the Galaxy module. The secret lies in the Galaxy edge protection using PO material. It's made of the same material as the junction boxes, possessing excellent toughness and impact resistance. This is combined with patented integrated lamination process. Want to see if other components are just as durable? Welcome to follow GoodWe PVM.